Hi everyone, it's Kathy with Metta Studios Design Team. I thought I would come on tonight while I'm practicing and give you some ideas of how you can learn how to dot paint. It's really simple. Yes, I have dotting tools, but you don't have to have them. You can use pencil erasers, you can use anything you have on hand. This little thing right here came from the Dollar Tree. They call it a stylus and a scoring tool, but I made it up with dot paint. It's, you know, got two sides, two different sides, perfect, and it's $1. So I'm gonna put you down to some music. I drew out a stencil, and I'm gonna practice this design, and then probably practice some different things that are not on here as well. So hang on. did speed up parts of it. Guys, if you would like for me to do them slower, just say, hey, don't speed them up. I want to follow along. But it's going to make it really long because it takes a while to do these. But it kind of reminds me of Starburst, the candy, fruit salad, something. Trying to get out of my comfort zone and use different colors. Was looking for some boho colors, and I'm trying to buy some and try them out different ways to just get out of my comfort zone some. And as you noticed, I did come back and add these lines in here and all of this in here that was not on the stencil because it just seemed like there was too much open space to me. But it's just, a way of showing you can take any design and turn it into your own, make it what you want it to be, and just, have fun with it, mainly. Just don't be so serious about it. Yes, you want it to come out looking like something that somebody else would appreciate, but at the same time, if you're just practicing, just do it different ways, use different colors. I had not used any of these colors before except for the gold and the greenish gold, so I wanted to come in and see what they would look like, and I kind of like all of them. So anyway, this is the finished design. I'm happy with it. If you want me to do them all in slow motion, just leave a comment down below. And if you leave a comment and it doesn't show up, don't worry about it. It shows up in the back and I have to click on to approve it. Because we're all getting all these little people running around here now saying, join my channel, and it's XXXX rated channels. We get censored, they don't. Go figure. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you liked it, and I hope you watched the whole video. Give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye-bye.